Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually digging into this bin of my empties that I used up probably in the past several months. There are some hair care here, some perfumes, body creams, and some hair masks. Let's go through this quickly because this stuff accumulated really fast for some reason. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I really hope you consider subscribing before the end of this video. And without any further ado, let's get into this bin. So I'm going to start with this product. This is the moisturizing cream by Cetaphil. This is the only one that I use on my body. I was diagnosed with eczema probably about 6-7 years ago, and I do have some minor patches on my knees or my elbows. They just kind of randomly come up as I go through like stressful times in my life. And I know the dermatologist always recommends to use something that's fragrance free. So this is pretty much what I've been using since I was diagnosed. I don't have major flare-ups. They are kind of more in like a lighter side. However, it's still a condition, and I actually stopped using anything that's very fragrance to my body. I don't use any fragrance lotions. I've been using this cream, this specific cream, for a very, very long time. I buy them in bulk, and when I see them in multi-packs, like I usually pick them up. So I pretty much have them everywhere. I have them in smaller containers in my work bag, and I have them in my bathroom. I have them pretty much like all over the house because I go through them really quickly. I find them really moisturizing, and yeah, it takes me a little bit of a time to go through a tub like this, but this is the only item that I use on my body. So this is a hair mask that was meant for fine to baby fine textured hair, and it's by Macadamia Professional. This was the first one I ever purchased. I think I got it from Ulta, a website, but this was so good, you guys. If you're not familiar with this product or this line of hair masks, when you purchase one, they differ by hair type. So I honestly did not notice that in the beginning. So I purchased the baby fine to fine textures. My hair definitely not this type. My hair is more of like a drier texture, and obviously I do have a kind of curly wavy hair. I really like this mask regardless. It still worked for my hair. It helped me detangle. It smells like heaven. It definitely made my hair very soft, and it was quite easier to blow dry my hair as well. So I love this mask. I understand why it is pricey. I am not a cosmetic chemist by any means. I didn't really look into ingredient list for this mask, but I honestly loved it. If I get a chance to purchase this, I definitely will. But this was a really good product. I enjoyed it. Another hair product is this L'Oreal 8-Second Wonder Water. It is literally like a watery liquid that you apply to your hair after washing, after you shampooed your hair. So here in the back, you have measurements, and it tells you how much to use, like how many sections of these to use at a time, depending on how long your hair is. So the instructions are pretty clear, and they're all written here in the back. So you just kind of untwist this nozzle right here, and then you just apply it to your hair. It's very easy to use. Guys, this stuff works. This is my third bottle, I think. I don't know. I think I just threw away the first two. And this is my third bottle, and I actually repurchased another one. It should be coming to me very soon, sometime this week. This untangles my hair. My hair gets really, really tangly, and I kind of talked about it in my previous video that I started noticing very, very tangly hair since I moved to Florida from New Jersey. And I'm not sure if it's something else related or if it's really just weather related, but my hair is really, really tingly. I struggle with just brushing through my hair after I wash them. So this stuff has been working. Well, the bottle is obviously not that big. It's only 6.8 fluid ounces. However, I use like 2 of these sections at a time because my hair is kind of long. So it would last me probably for about 4 or 5 times. The only thing that kind of scares me is that the ingredient list is scary, you guys. When I read the ingredient list, every single item in the ingredients is alcohol, is some type of alcohol. I did not look it up. I didn't sit down and, look up every single ingredient. Learn for yourself. I know having the ingredients that every single one of them is alcohol, I'm not sure if it's really good for your hair. It definitely works, but I'm not sure if it's good for you. So you guys do your own research. Look into it if you're interested. And if you've tried it, let me know how this worked out for you and like your thoughts in general. Okay, another hair product is this Frieda Ease Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner by Frieda. I actually liked it. The Frieda hair products, they are sulfate free and parabens free. This was nice. It was just kind of like a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, but in a spray shape, and it wasn't very thick either. So it was more like a lighter consistency, so it wouldn't make your hair sticky or heavy. And the sprayer was actually really nice too. So I kind of enjoyed it. I thought it worked for me. I used the whole entire bottle, and this bottle is 8 fluid ounces. So I thought it was nice. Okay guys, so I have this product here. It's by Schwarzkopf, Got to Be Garden Angel. It's a heat protectant and it adds gloss finish to a hair, and it works with like a flat iron and stuff. So this is also a spray. I've been using this spray for years, you guys. I'm talking about probably about 7-8 years. I discovered it that long ago. And then for some reason, several years ago, I stopped seeing it here in America. I purchased them on Amazon, but they were shipped from UK. For my last set, I actually purchased 3 of these, the spray ones, and also like blow drying lotion that I love. So what I did was I actually purchased them from Amazon, and I got like 3 of each because I think they had a limit per person how much I could purchase. So I got my maximum. Product is about like $10 plus minus. I can't exactly remember now, but because they were shipping from UK, I had to pay probably about $25 for shipping. I don't know what's going on with this brand. I see some of their products like in CVS and like other drugstores here around US, and I'm not sure what's going on with this specific item and that lotion that I'm talking about. This stuff is amazing. This makes my hair so silky. It smells really nice. It has a nice sprayer, and my hair does not get frizzy with this. With those 2 products, with this spray, with this heat protectant, and that blow drying lotion, I literally swear that my hair looks nice. It looks shiny. It kind of gets a little bit weighted, just slightly bit, so it doesn't get like puffy or frizzy. I just love it. This combination worked for me for this long, and honestly, I have been trying a lot of different new products in the past like year or so, but this I've been using forever. So, and I will continue looking for it, and I will continue purchasing it. They're my favorite. They work so well for my hair. Okay, another hair product here is a Keratin Protein. It's also a blow drying spray, and it's free of sulfates and parabens. This is by the brand Hask. Spray it on your dampened hair before you blow dry them. So it adds a little bit shine. It helps with frizz, makes your hair a little more smoother if you're more on the drier side like my hair is. So I really enjoyed it. I think this is also my second bottle. You have to shake the bottle before you spray it on your hair, but this stuff works. And I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. It's affordable, and they have a lot of different products. This spray was really helpful. The next item here is this Hairspray. It was fine. It says it's extra strong hold. It's number 4, and it's humidity resistant. and helps with frizz or anti-frizz rather. It was fine. I liked it. I wouldn't say it was very strong, even though it says 4 out of 5 possible. I liked it. It smelled really nice, and it didn't make my hair too stiff. It was still flexible, but it would hold my hair in place, and it would definitely help with frizz. So I really enjoyed it. Okay, I picked this up on a whim, and it was actually from Marshalls. It was $2.99 at Marshalls, and I was like, okay, let me try it. I know they use it sometimes in nail salons, and this is just a nail dryer that you spray on your nails once you apply nail polish, regular nail polish, and it's supposed to help it dry faster. Okay, first of all, I used this whole entire thing in 2 times. I don't know, guys. This was my first time using it on my own at home. And I don't know, you may laugh at me, but I honestly didn't know what it was doing and how much product I need. But I kept spraying on my nails and they wouldn't dry any faster. So I thought the more you spray, the better it works. But I don't know, maybe it wasn't the case. But long story short, I didn't see this being any help to my nail polish drying any faster. So I'm definitely not going to be buying any more of this stuff. Okay, another product here from Frieda. It was a thicker texture serum that you would apply on your dampened hair to smooth them out. And it also helps with hydration, and it just fights the humidity. My hair texture is more on the drier side. I definitely need some sort of like an oily smoothing product to add to my hair every time I blow dry. Otherwise, it's just going to be really frizzy and just going to be unruly. This was really nice. I liked it. I would repurchase it again. It worked. The Batista Dry Shampoo. This was in Sassy and Daring Wild. I will be honest with you guys. I am not a huge fan of dry shampoos. I do use them. I always have one on hand just in case. So most of the dry shampoos make my scalp really itchy. And the day I use them in the mornings, I definitely need to make sure I wash my hair when I come back home in the evening. Because if I don't wash my hair, this just causes me a very bad like scalp irritation. And including this one, I thought that just maybe because this product is also very, very scented, I just personally doesn't work for me. Okay, another dry shampoo that I actually have a lot of good things to say, even though to what I just said earlier about the Batista Dry Shampoo, this one by Eva NYC is a completely different story. This one I think is my perfect dry shampoo find or my match that I can use. This is so gentle. I find it being very effective, but yet it's very gentle. It is scented. It smells really, really nice, but I would totally repurchase this. This is a really, really good. It doesn't irritate my sensitive scalp. So I only have a few of these perfumes left here that I used up. The bottles here of the samples, they were identically matching the full sizes. So I know there's a white one, there's a gold one, there's a blue one, and I think there was another one. Long story short, I hated every single one of them. The reason why they're empty is because I use them as a room sprays. I would just literally like spray my room or my car. I would carry one in my purse and I would just spray inside of my car. They're not like super nasty as a room sprays, but I would want to say that I would never use it on my body. They smell so cheap. I hope you don't get offended if you love these perfumes and you use them. I'm glad you love them and you find something that works for you, but I thought that they smelled so bad and they're not the cheapest products out there. I was very surprised at how bad they smelled for the price that they're charging. That was a waste of money. All right, another perfume that I used up, it was Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana. This is just a classic. I really love this like very light, fresh scents sometimes, like for day wear or, you know, for work. I work in a dental field and a lot of times I don't wear perfumes or I don't wear anything that's very strong to work because it's kind of like a medical environment. So I really love this. This is one of those classic products and I feel like I could always have it. This other smaller size of perfume was by Jimmy Choo Fever. This is actually one of my favorite perfumes that I currently have that came in a set of a full bottle, and I just use this as a purse spray. I would travel with it. I really like this perfume in general. It's a little bit stronger scent. It's kind of that very like sexy, very feminine, but like a strong scent. Hey guys, there are two more products that I actually just finished this past week, and they were still hanging around in my bathroom, so I had to go and grab them. So this is the hair mask by Pantene. It's a smoothing recovery mask, which would help to smooth the hair and just make it more shiny, more smooth, and hydrated. So I actually picked this up at Target, I believe, and let me tell you guys, this is so nice. I did not expect to like this at all because I remember using Pantene products a very long time ago. I haven't used anything from this brand in the longest time, and I just saw this and I was like, well, okay, I'm on this tangled hair path right now, and I have been trying so many hair masks. So I saw this and it was very affordable, and I actually ended up loving this. This is 7.6 fluid ounces tub, and it smells so good. It's really nice creamy consistency, and it really helped my hair to be not tangled and hydrating, and it was really easy to brush my hair. I would repurchase this again. I actually had to use this towel because these products were in my bathroom and they're like the water is coming out from them, so I didn't want to ruin my rug here in my beauty room. So this is the other product that I just picked up. Well, I ran out of it, but I picked it up last month. I'm gonna use it pretty quickly. So this is a coconut cleansing oil from Kopari. I like the formula. It was very light formula, like almost like watery, but it was very, very effective. However, I really struggled with this pump because it kind of has this like slanted side a little bit, and I only use double cleansing in the shower in my night skincare routine, and I really found this difficult to be used when the packaging is wet. I actually had to unscrew this whole entire top like this and just pour it into my hand and then just screw the cap back up because I couldn't push on this when this was all wet. So, but the product was amazing. Another hair mask that I finished was by Wella. It's a Fusion Plex mask. And it's intense, a repair mask. So I actually picked it up from Ulta in one of my shopping hauls that's here on my channel somewhere, and I love this product. I think it's somewhere in the 20s range, and the packaging is quite small. It's only 5 fluid ounces here. However, I also found it very effective. However, I will tell you one thing. I literally got the same result from this mask as I got from this one. So, and the price difference is pretty significant. I like this product, but I won't be repurchasing it because I will probably repurchase this one instead. So this last two products are here. They were actually sample sizes or trial sizes, whatever you want to call them, but they are by Living Proof. It's color care conditioner and a shampoo, and it says they're sulfate free and all this bad stuff free. Long story short, I did not see any result, any good things to my hair. My hair was still quite dry after using both the shampoo and conditioner, and I really didn't see any results. Yeah, it's a no for me. Hey guys, this sums up our video today. I just tried to make it like a speedy review, really quick for you, and I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.